I want to talk about the flag right now. A flag is a Boolean variable. A flag is a Boolean variable that it can either be true or false. And the purpose of a flag is to control some particular aspect of my program. Um, when you set a flag, when you create a flag, you usually set it to a value. I'm going to set my flag to false when I create it. Now, something in the program is going to have to change the status of the flag if a certain condition is true. And later on in the program, I need to test the status of the flag because it controls some aspect of the code. Now, in our little program here, the flag is going to be used to control a congratulation message. This is your 3-score program that we worked on before, and I've got 3 scores and I'm going to calculate the average. I set the flag right here in the program. I create it and set it to false. I go ahead and get the 3 scores, and I do the average. And right here I say, if the average is greater than 95, set the flag to true. Then what I do is I go ahead and say the average is whatever it is, and I say now if flag. Now that's the same thing as saying if flag is equal to true. They're both exactly the same. The purpose of this flag is to control this message, this congratulatory message. So let's go ahead and walk through it. I set my flag to false. I enter the 3 scores, a 50, 60, and a 70. The average turns out to be 60. This test here will fail. I do not change the status of the flag. I do not change it. I do not change it. The average is 60. This test here will fail, and it will not say congratulations. Okay, let's do it again. Let's set the flag to false. I get my scores. 99, 99, and 99. I calculate the average, and the average is 99. If 99 is greater than 95, that's true. This will change the status of flag from false to true. Flag is now true. I display the average. The average is 99. If true, if flag, if true, and it is true, congratulations, that's a great score. The point of a flag is to control some aspect in your code. This flag simply controls this message. When you create a flag, you generally create it and give it a value of true or false. I decided to give mine false. Now something inside my code needs to change the status of flag. And that something for me is this test here. If average is greater than 95, I'm going to go ahead and change the status of flag. Now let me just say, I do know that this is sort of a made-up example, and it's really not necessary to say congratulations using a flag. I can do it another way. I just wanted you to see how a flag would work.